begin the setup process for Apple Music, make sure that you have an activated Apple Music account and you're logged in on the mobile device you're planning to use. The first step in the setup process will be to select the media icon and then look for the Apple Music icon at the top. Now take your mobile device and open the camera app and hold it over the QR code and select the link. If you've already logged into your Apple Music account on your mobile device, it will automatically populate your Apple ID. Now select Continue, and if you have it configured on your Apple device, it will use Face ID. Now the vehicle is going to ask for access to your Apple Music media library. Select Allow. Now your Apple Music account has been successfully linked to your vehicle. Now you can enjoy a wide variety of features within Apple Music in your new Cayenne.